Kia ora champions, over the past couple months we've been upgrading the lighting on the Jeep for both on-road and off-road, with the Voswitch or Voswitch, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, as the central hub. The most recent upgrade are these LED headlights from Quadratec. These lights are the bee's knees and I wish I had upgraded to them a long time ago. They're so much brighter over the stock T-candle lights that the Jeep comes with. They're super simple to install and they fit like a glove, which cannot be said for the first pair of lights I purchased from Amazon and ended up returning. If you've been following along with us, you'll know we've had these front spotties for a while now. These lights were cheap as chips off Amazon, and while I would love a pair of KC lights as much as the next guy, it just isn't something I'm willing to invest that much into, at least not yet anyway. They put out an impressive amount of light, which is awesome for driving in remote areas at night time, makes it a lot safer being able to look out for wildlife. So far I've had no issues with water in them or any fogging. Another recent addition are the two smaller combination spot and floodlights mounted on the front of the roof rack, and the two floodlights mounted on the rear. The fuse box is mounted in the engine bay and it makes life so much easier for adding 12 volt accessories. With only having to run the wiring for the control panel inside the Jeep once, it saves a ton of time and hassle anytime you add a new accessory without having to mount another switch and run the wiring. There are 8 switches and corresponding positive terminals, but there are no negative terminals. It's not a big deal, but you will have to find somewhere to ground your accessories or add a ground bar. Overall, it seems really well made, although the mount does have some deflection and could use a brace. I ran the positive and negative cables from the fuse box along the firewall and over to the battery. There is also a wire that will connect your fuse box to your ignition so that it will kill the power to the fuse box when your ignition is turned off. I haven't connected this wire for now. The switch panel mounts above the rear view mirror and it comes with a sheet with a bunch of different labels. There are different color backlights and it is also dimmable. The wiring is relatively straightforward to run behind the plastic trim of the Jeep. The manufacturer that makes these lights also has these mounts for different diameters of tube. They work really well and they don't shake or vibrate. The front lights make a big difference for seeing out the side of the road or track and whatever is lurking in the bushes. Overall, we're super happy with how things turned out, and I love how clean and simple it is, and how easy it is to add further 12-volt accessories in the future. If there's anything that you would like further detail on in this video, please put it in the comments section below and I'll be happy to go through it with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.